Hey everyone, today we will guide you through checking your old comments on TikTok. It's a simple process, so let's dive right in. Open the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android device. Once you're in, we'll explore two different areas. First, tap on the inbox icon at the bottom right corner. Look for the Activities section, indicated by a bell icon surrounded by pink. Tap on it to view all activity on your videos. Select All Activity at the top and filter for comments. Here, you'll find all the comments others have left on your videos. You can like, reply to, or delete these comments as you wish. Go back to the main screen and tap on Profile at the bottom right. Then, tap on the three lines at the top right and choose Settings and Privacy. In the menu, find Activity Center and tap on it. Under Watch History, you'll see Comment History. Tap on it to access the comments you've made on other users' videos. Here, you can view, edit, or delete your comments. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.